Throughout the world, there is always something going on, with different actions taking place, and for different reasons.
I like old films, films I remember from my childhood watching on TV. I like films, lots of films made in the late 40s, early 50s. Films like I like Casablanca, films like that. Modern films, I really like action films, films that don't take much brain power to watch. Um, I liked The Day After Tomorrow. I've just seen San Andreas. I just like those sort of disaster action films.